Hey YouTube, this is Commander X112 and today I'll be showing you how to make a sniper that can change into a machine gun. First things first, you need lamps to connect to those, I don't know what they are, Technic or whatever, connectors. One of these, one by one with the circle thing on the end, don't know what it's called. You need 3 of these levers. You need a lightsaber hilt. You need a 1x1 with 4 knobs. You need 2 different colored studs. And you need a cone there. A 1x1 cylinder. Lamps, I think I already said that, doesn't matter. You need a 1x1 ramp. You need a 1x1 hook. Then for the machine gun you just need 2 chains, 1 or 2 chains, whichever one you want. Okay, so let's start. What you need to do is put the 1x1 cylinder on the end of the lamps. Then put the 1x1 knob in after it. Like that. Then put this on top. That. Right. Then put this on either side, doesn't really matter, for say ejecting cartridges. Then put the 2 connectors on on the end of the lamp. Sorry. Put the cone on them. It should say. Then that's it for the main body of the sniper rifle. If you look at that there. Go inside now for a while. Next, to make the scope, I'll need, I would guess, put 1 stud on one end of the lightsaber hilt and the other stud on the other end. And just stick it on there. So you could have a sniper rifle like that. But if you want, you need to have this upside down. Okay, so it's like that. Basically, clip them on bit by bit. Then there, so you should have a tripod to stand on, whatever you want to call it, and basically put this up on top of it, and you guys can sit down and snipe. Okay, now for the machine gun, it's just very simple. Take the scope off, so you have kind of your aim thing. Put the 2 chains together, like that, and then basically just clip it onto the side, like that. Now you have a machine gun. This is Commander X112. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.